I wanted to show you guys here, as soon as I got a good grip, how I add the hair in between. Watch this. Hey you guys, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Instagram at Thediamondmentality. There I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty as well. And if you find your way making your way over to my Instagram, check out my blog. The link is down below. So y'all see my hair, y'all see my braids. This took me a long periodically time.
We have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
And I wanted to show you guys how to do it. These are knotless braids in my hair right now. And y'all, I did not want to spend $300 to get my hair done. I'm about to go on vacation. I ain't got time. I'm trying to save as much coin as I can. So I was like, you know what? Let me do my hair myself. I'm a person, I've done my hair plenty of times before myself. I'm just lazy and I don't want to do it. But I thought, you know what? Let me show you guys a super easy way to do your own knotless braids, okay? My hair is like super long right now. I'm gonna show y'all in a bit. Like y'all, it is long. Like super long. Like I don't even know if you could see it from all the way here, but it's like to my calf. Like that's how long I did it. Yeah, like it's super duper long. Like I wanted it to be freaking Rapunzel, okay? But yeah. First off, y'all, let's get into how much my hair has grown since I cut it all off in March. Y'all, I haven't been doing much to my hair at all, and this growth compared to that video is wild. Now let's get into parting. I part in sections to make things easier for me, so I start by parting ear to ear. I use the Shine and Jam Extra Hold Gel for my parts to make them as straight as possible. I then section that back section into 3 even parts. I try to get the lines as straight as I possibly can. When I start with my middle part, I try to make it as straight as possible. It's easy for me to figure out because I have a widow's peak, so it's easy for me to guide my middle. And then for each side part, I use the arch of my eyebrow to guide where my side part should be. Once I get to the top of my head, I have 4 even sections that I know once I get there, I'm gonna section those into other sections depending on how big I want my braids to be. In the beginning, when I was showing you guys the back, I only sectioned it in 2. I meant to section it in 3 and absolutely forgot to show it to you. So here I'm starting my first row and I'm gonna section that second back part into my first, second, and third row. The most important thing about this whole process, y'all, is your sections and how straight you get your lines. You want this to look as nice as possible because you might have them in for a long time. So take your time getting your lines straight and your sections perfect. All right, do not freak out. I am going to show you exactly how I braided my hair. I did the back off camera, but keep watching, because I'm going to show you when I get to the top of my head exactly how I formed the braid and included the hair into my hair to get the knowledge look. 8 hours later, y'all, I'm finally at the top of my head. Each section of my hair, I use the Wild Growth hair oil. Here I have the Shine and Jam Extra Hold Jam. I'll go ahead and place the jam all over the part, and then I saturate it throughout my entire hair. You can't really see it here, so I'm gonna do it 2 more times with the other 2 braids that I have, but you're gonna start your braid. When you start your braid, when you get your first grip, you see that finger there? That is when you grab your hair. You're gonna place your hair in between that finger there. All right, y'all, I hope you could see. So once I started my second grip, I added hair under my finger. So whenever you're braiding and you find that grip, those of you who braid your hair yourself, you know what I'm talking about. That grip is where you insert the hair. This was my first time trying to record this on camera, so I was looking to make sure I was in frame, but also trying to braid my hair. So this one I kind of messed up, but mistakes happen. So I just got a scissor and cut that piece off and kept braiding and adding to my braid. Here, I wanted to take some time to show you exactly what I mean by inserting hair into your grip. So here, I have officially been able to grip this part of the braid. So I'm getting a piece of hair and adding it into my grip and then continuing to braid down. All right, so here we go with another one. Add your jam, find your grip, add hair into your grip, braid, add hair, braid, continue to braid, find your grip, and braid down. All right, I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Add your jam, saturate it, braid, find your grip. Once you find your grip, add the hair and braid. And continue, find your grip, add hair in between your grip, like so, and braid. I wanted to show you guys here, as soon as I got a good grip, how I add the hair in between. Watch this.
And that's it, y'all. I did all the extra stuff off camera, foaming and boiling my hair, but that's it. This is the final product. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.